Sanibona nonke bakhaya kalibitso ke kutlwano ngwetjaga Gema, your girl Strawberry. Welcome to Iziki and thank you so much. Please help me welcome our special guest today. Sawubona siswa munjani?
Sabona sisunjani?
I'm well, thank you, Mtansekhaya.
Ngiyaphila nami.
Please ngicela ukuthi uzazise, let our viewers know who you are, ubuyaphi. Just nje kancane nje.
Igama lami ngubezeka kwabaluvuno Mthiyane Dladlama wena wacebisa abampofu indlela zabedlule.
Awu Kiyantombi. Wathi Kiyantombi.
So I was born in KwaZulu-Natal, Escorts in Qatandaba, but then I was raised in Alexander Township. I was raised by my grandmother. So
Okay.
sala sobayithu nje kuphela.
Zonke sikhuliswa bogogo.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So wakhulela ngapha Alexandra.
Yes, ngikhulele eAlexander, but then currently I'm residing in Kempton Park.
Oh, okay. Welcome to Iziki.
Thank you.
Siyabonga ukuthi ufike eshowini yethu namhlanje. Like uyalazi mosudaba.
Yeah.
Please take us through your journey.
Okay.
I take your time. Don't worry, just be
Okay.
comfortable.
So my mother passed away 2010 due to HIV.
Okay.
Yes, I think I was still doing grade 4 or 3 lab.
Oh,
Yeah.
may soul rest in peace.
So, I think it was 2014 when my grandmother found out ukuthi I'm HIV positive. Ngangula like rash ebusweni.
Okay.
So she decided to take me to the clinic. Bangihambisa ke clinic, bafike basho bangidiagnose ukuthi she is HIV positive. So after that, they gave me a medication, TB first, that I had to drink for like 6 months. Okay, so I drank that medication. After 6 months, they gave me ARVs again. I was in Wapuze. Like even now, I'm still drinking them. I still attend my clinic.
Okay.
So being HIV positive is a very hard thing because abantu engizalwa nabo ubhuti wami nosisi wami they normally make it ngathi i-joke or something like that yabo. So the time ekhaya besho ukuthi I'm HIV positive to the family, they told them ukuthi le ndaba le ayihlale endlini, ihlale amongst the family. But then they decided to take it out, batshela abangani babo, like I was just a laughing stock. Abantu bengihleka whenever I go to ispaza shop, abantu bebehleka bathi lona ukanti une-HIV. People were even distancing themselves. Anginabangani even now because of ukuthi I have HIV and so.
Is it?
Yes.
Yo, guys, we are being taught, we are being educated in HIV nowadays. I'm very surprised. In this era, sizovinto so. Okay, Mtansekhaya. I want you to take me back kancane. How old were you when you found out?
I think I was lapho kuma 13 years.
13 years.
Yes.
So no one knew you were born were you born HIV?
Yes, I was born HIV.
And Mama did not disclose to the family.
No, she didn't. She had HIV.
They knew.
They knew.
Okay.
But then you should see the time ngizalwa mina umama wami wayelo muntu lo ngafuna ukuphuza i-medication yakhe.
Oh.
Yabo. So
it's later. Yes. Okay, so ugogo wakho, I see your grandmother is the one that's looking after you, Lana.
Yes.
And then abantu labagini they were negative.
Yes, all of them they were negative.
So bazalwa before when?
Yes, it's my brother and my sister bazalwa before mina. And then khona owaye positive, owashona. Washona na 3 months.
So that one was after you.
Yes, that one was after me.
So your relationship no gogo. I see she's the one that actually became a mother to you.
Yes,
she's the one that took you to the doctor.
Yes.
She's the one that started taking care of you. Remember now, at 13 years old, you don't even understand pills.
Yes, I don't.
How many pills were you taking?
I was taking, I think, about 3 pills. TB that
Yes.
I had to start with. Yes, 3 pills. She was making sure with ngesikhathi so you drink these pills kanjena every day. Uwakhuthalele pheze ngamaphilisi so that uzokwazi ukuphila, otherwise uzoshona mangafuni.
Please tell us about your relationship with Gogo.
Oh, my relationship with Gogo is very good. It's great actually. I actually love my grandmother because wakwazi ukungisa esikoleni eziright ngemali yakhe. Like she was the one who's taking care of me like throughout.
Usaphila ugogo?
Yeah, usaphila.
Is there anything you'd like to say? Can I give you this just 1 minute? Just in your Gogo. I think I'm feeling this Gogo.
Yeah.
And yes, I'm doing my interview, but my producers
right.
are allowing me to. Please,
Yes.
anything.
I'd like to say gogo ngiyakuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. I would actually buy, I don't know, ini for wena, like I have no words, like oh loya muntu wangisiza, I don't know ukuthi ngabe ngikuphi if it wasn't for her.
Siyabonga, yes. I would like to say thank you, Nagu Gogo. Shout out to you. Oyimbogote, we are where we are today because of women like you. In Mother's Day, we are celebrating it. We've got a Women's Month because of women like you. Siyabonga kakhulu Gogo. Thank you, Ntansekai. Please do take us through now. So uyakhula, hlangana nobandlululo, and ibuhlungu because uthi lo bandlululo uqale ekhaya. Aqali kamakhelwane.
Yeah.
So lo bandlululo loshaya emakhelwane ukuthi ashaye nawe. Eish.
Hey.
Ntansekai, please take us through.
Okay, sengiyakhula ke manje sengiyabona. Okay, so ngakhulelwa ke.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, that was a mistake. But then ngakhulelwa ke. But then my daughter is HIV negative because I was doing everything in my power ukuthi
Yes.
abe HIV positive. So ngakhula ke, so kushuthi ngangiyodeda ne. Okay, kwakuyilanga lokuthi ngidischarge kahle. Sengidedile nge-right, umntwana ukhona. So bayangichecka ke i-teach and all that. Okay. So bayachecka bathi you have HPV. Okay, HPV. Guys. Ngiqeda ukudeda ngikhathele, angifuni nokuzibona lapha, ngifuna ukuzibona ngisendlini. Yabo. So they just told me ukuthi ngihambe nge-clinic ngiyoyijovela leyo HPV. Okay, mina like ngangingenandaba romana la, ngangingenandaba, ngafuna ukuzibona ngisendlini, uyazi mawuqeda ukudeda unjani, awufuni ukukhathela. Okay, fine. Hayi bangidischarge ke. Okay, idlule ke 2 months. Okay, my 2 months. Nakya sengiphuma ama-discharging hours, I was coming out a watery discharge. Yes. So mangiphuma watery discharge, ngizibuza ukuthi hayibo kanti yini lena manje, or is it normal? Because
after giving birth, it was the first time. Yeah. Yes.
Is it normal? Na ngibuza ugogo wathi hayi, that's not normal, go to the clinic. Hayi ngihambe nge-clinic. Remember that time umntwana una 2 months, I think. Yeah, bekana 2 months. Ngihambe nge-clinic, bathi infection. Okay, bangijove, bangipha antibiotics. Stop maybe for 1 day. Yeah, okay. Ubuye futhi. Went back again, but infection again. Okay. Bangijove bangiphe nama-antibiotics futhi.
Yes.
Okay. Ngithi yazi, let me Google this HPV thing. Okay, ngigoogle le HPV thing. Okay. Ngiyabona it's a human wara papillary virus.
Yes.
Yeah. It causes cervical cancer and
that's why we must have a mama pap smear as women. Yes.
Okay, so I was like, it can't be with cancer so fast. It's like, okay. So I was like, let me go to the hospital lang at the Edenville.
Yes.
Because I was also having a pelvic pain. Okay. After that, into pap smear and all that. So my results now we are only to find out I'm on stage 2 cervical cancer.
Sure.
So remember, nomntana on 2 months by that time.
Yes.
Nomntana on 2 months. So kwakuthi ngikhale ngalelo langa angazi ngenzeni, angazi nogogo ukuthi ngizomtshela kanjani.
She won't even understand what is this cancer. Yes.
Because I was very sick, I couldn't even stand. Nangwashi sithe C1 bese ngihlale phansi. I was so weak. Bengi week kwayena mangimkhukha ngaqhaqhazela. So okay, bangitshele, they told me ukuthi they're going to give me medication and all that. Yabo. Okay, bangiphe medication upon. When was it? Last year October. Okay. Ngizibona ukuthi ngathi sengiya pick up anyana, ngathi I have to go back to set. All right. After that, I know man. These traditional things.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I ngiphe those traditional things. I drank them while ngiphuza medication yalana ngiphuza nje HIV konke nje kuhlangene.
Now you just want help all.
Yeah. So ngiphuze. Okay, I went back to the hospital. But bacela ungitesta futhi bayenze pap smear futhi. That was the best day of my life.
Shame,
they were like, imagine. You are cancer free.
You are clean.
So I was like, kanjani? I was asking myself, ukuthi kanjani? You know, God sometimes, cha, uNkulunkulu, I really believe in God. I really believe in God. Ngangithi ngizoshona, I didn't think ukuthi ku-2025 uyongifica. The way kwakunzima ngakhona.
So you thought history is repeating itself ngomama.
Yeah.
And the yinto beyikhatha kakhulu because you've been through.
Yeah.
Yo, okay. Yeah. Now, I want to know, were you educated in HIV? Did you get about counseling as after you find out or as you were growing up? Did anyone educate you? Good, okay, your sexual life, this is how it's supposed to be, to protect your partner. Did you disclose to your partner, would say, I am positive? I just want to know, please take us through if.
Okay, I was dating Ubaba Mtwana,
Okay.
even though we broke up at the time. So I did tell him ukuthi HIV positive,
Okay.
but then he took it in a bad way, I think. Yeah. That's why sahlukana kahle kahle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now he's fine.
No.
Oh, okay. And then, but were you educated? That's the part I want to hear.
Yes, I was educated, but then I didn't get counseling. I was educated by the doctors at clinic. Bangitshela ukuthi lento uthole kanjena, kuzokwenzeka kanjena, do this, don't do this,
Yes.
drink your medication at this time so that kuzoba right, eat this, don't eat this, all that. Yeah.
Oh, so that's the one that you got.
Yes.
Okay, so when do you think you are at the stage where you still believe that I do need counseling? Or remember, this is what you've lived with since the age of 13 years.
Yes.
So probably ngathi no, sengize ngazifundisa, sengize ngangena kubo Google, did my researches and all those things. So according to wena, would you say we are usayidinga counseling as we speak or no?
Yes, I do need counseling.
If we can arrange counseling as easy, would you appreciate that?
Yes, I would really appreciate that.
Not a problem. We'll definitely do that for you. Now, your relationship with your family, with your neighbors, with your friends. Can you get to that?
It's very bad.
Yes, I could sense it.
It's very bad. My relationship with my family is really bad. Bad. So after being more with this HIV, I'm a sensitive person. After baqeda ukungihlekisa bayengenza i-joke and all that, angizange ngisabakhulumisa kuyimanje nje asisakhulumisana after that.
What kind of jokes?
Ukuthi bahambe batshela abantu bathi hayi ungamboni sona lona u-HIV bese nabo abantu bathi hawu amuhle kanje une-HIV na yo yabo, all those statements nje ukuthi mawuqhamuka bathi uzile lo bathi une-HIV all that yabo.
Would you say bebangidlela umona?
I would say bebangidlela umona. Yes, I would say.
Because honestly, you are beautiful. You are actually pretty. You are yazini umuhle mntansekhaya.
Thank you.
Umuhle and awubhalwanga like ufresh.
Yabo.
Like ayikampela. So
Yabo.
now asakhulumisani nefamily yakho.
Cha asikhulumisani.
But manikhula ke nabo. Nikhula niyalwa, nikhula bayagqeka,
Strong.
nikhula bayawakhuluma lawo magama. Like bathini kuwe?
They-
Hey wena lento ne-HIV, like what do they say?
So there was a time ngixabana nobhuti wami ubhuti wami ubhema ama-drugs ne.
Okay.
So wayetshontshe i-necklace yami. So I was like ngicela i-necklace yami ngicela uyibuyise back yabo. So waphumela ngaphandle warasa lento ne-HIV lena wena udeserve ukuba kule ndlu lena une-HIV unengculaza wena unengculaza, like he was literally making noise ngaphandle. Everybody was watching, abomakhelwane baphuma. So like that's when I felt so small. I was like, kanti Nkosi yami, what did I do to deserve this? Kanti why? Like sometimes I blame my mother ukuthi kanti why umama naye angazange aphuza amapilisi, maybe ngabe ngi-right manje, all that. Yeah.
So how did it make you feel? Ngiyakuva ukuthi ikwenze ukuthi kwenzakaleni. But nje lokho phela nilala endlini eyi-1. Uvuka nabo la endlini labantu labo. Ikubulale kangakanani? Ikustope yini lengabo ufuna ifiso lezi ufuna ukuzifeza, but because of the insult probably bayehlisa self-esteem yakho, you're confident. Did you now believe in yourself anymore, or every time you must remind yourself ukuthi I am fezeka, or you know what?
Yes.
How do you keep on going?
So I was in the modeling industry ne.
Oh wow.
So
Oh wow, yeah, you look like one.
I was in the modeling industry back then. So whenever they say all those things, I was like, yazini, shuti, I don't deserve ukuthi ngibe in this TV thing, shuti the social media is on mocha the way they do. Yabo, all that, whenever ngiphuza amapilisi, bayahlela. Shame. No-18 njalo uphuza amapilisi, shame. Thina masiyemgruveni yena uzophatha itoilet paper efake emabeleni, aphuza ipilisi ngebhiya, shame. Remember, labantu abantu engizalwa nabo, imagine. Abantu engizalwa nabo.
And azange ba-educate.
Cha, I don't think ukuthi ba-educate the way ama-statement abo angakhona. I don't think it's
Because
ba-educate.
manje we go to school, guys. Esikoleni kuyakhulunywa ngazo lezi zinto. We read newspapers. Ilaphiyana ubukela i-TV, uhlangana nayo. It's like it's a norm.
It's a no.
It's something that we are living with, and I think most of us acceptile.
Yes.
And I think esayidini lakho kakhulu kubuhlungu because you were born with it.
Yes.
Awuzikhethelanga. And the support structure bekumele ngabe ibuya from kini. When you say you were 13 years, which year was that?
Sheesh, I think. No, I don't remember.
Are we talking 1990s?
No.
2000 and
2000 and something.
maybe after 2010?
Yes, after 2010. After
Ah,
2010.
okay.
2014, I think, or 13.
I think because manje yazi mabasebathola and sometimes even nasesibhedlela or the clinic they call you to say please bring your family.
Yes.
Bakwazi ukuthi babakhansele babafundise and all that. So unfortunately on your side I understand ushuthi azange uzuyithole all that.
Kwenzeka ngalo.
Okay, now you continue with your journey. Baba umntwana nangu uyakushiya. How are you able to look after your child? Are you working currently? What do you do?
No, I don't have a stable job currently. So
Okay.
I'm doing my backgrounds on different productions. Umtanam was raised by that money, my productions.
Oh, okay.
And all that. Yes.
Oh, Skim Sam.
Skim Sam.
Awubabulisa. Hi Skim Sam.
Hi,
I've got
Skim Sam.
one of yours here.
Hi, Scandal.
Hi Scandal. Okay, yes.
Yes, so umtanam wakhuliswa imali yama-productions. Uthe athi 6 months nje mase ngizizwa ukuthi ngathi bese ngiba ngcononyana. I just went back to set to grab that cash.
Yes.
Yeah, buy her food, buy her clothes. I don't
So,
care about me, but then
Your rent, are you renting currently?
No, I'm not renting.
Usekhaya.
Yes, it's okay.
Oh, okay. So namanzi ahlala nogogo.
Yes, it's okay.
Oh, shame, man. So you are looking after ugogo.
Yes.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Yo, I so wish. Yo.
Yazini.
Yeah, ngiyabona.
Okay, now. Ngikubuza ukuthi uthona abangani. How did it get to that? Is it a personal choice? Or it's just happened ukuthi nalabangani bangigila?
It's abangani bangila. So I had this once, this childhood friend.
Okay.
So naye wayenoloku ukuthi like mina mangi close nawe I tell you indaba zami ukuthi kanjena as girl like you actually my shoulder to cry on.
Yes.
So ngangimtshela like she used that information to be against me now even that HIV part.
Oh.
Yes. So I was like yazini can you just stay alone and focus on empilweni yami. My daughter is my friend actually. Yeah.
But your daughter is still 1 year, mas.
2 years.
2
next
years.
month.
Oh, shame, man.
We umngane wami ngidlala naye ibhola endlini.
Then dlala ibhola
Dlala ibhola
you are
endlini,
kicking
we
it.
kicking the ball.
Oh, okay. So you decided I'll stay away from friends. I'll keep
Yeah,
away.
I think I'm doing good with that because I have no drama in my life. Like
Yes.
it's right.
So the people that you meet are actually your social mates. You could call them that.
Yes,
Because you just meet them, you socialize in the society, and that's it. Go back home.
Yes.
Put the tea
Go
there. And
back home. Take pictures, take content, go back home.
is there anything that you'd like to educate us about
Yes.
with your story?
Ukuthi umuntu ungamjudge. Don't judge the book by its cover. HIV is not something really bad that much. Ukuthi manje mangithatha ngithi so manje nawo so ne-HIV. Cela sihloniphaneni guys, singa discriminate abanye abantu ngama disease abanabo. Nami it was not my choice ukuthi ngibe ne-HIV. But then here I am still standing, still grinding and all that. Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Siyabonga ekhaya babukeli. We actually had a beautiful day. That was a beautiful interview. I have learned a thing or two. Siyacela nanemakhaya, let's get educated. HIV asabulali muntu bafowethu. This thing is affecting the whole of South Africa, yes. The whole of the country, the whole of the world, yes. But esikucelayo ukuthi asibeni nobuntu. Let's educate ourselves ukuthi how do we get it? Hayi ngoba sengihleli naye so senginayo phela nami no. And hayi ukuthi makakuhagile makahamba nawe. And I think futhi we need to encourage our families ebaphila nabantu who are HIV positive so that bakwazi ukuthi banakekelwa kanjani and bakwazi ukuthi because i-support structure it's charity begins at home. So that's where the support structure is supposed to come from. If she only got a support structure from her family, she would have friends today. That friend wamgila wouldn't have went that far because uyazi ukuthi she's not alone. But today she has to be a soldier. She needs to soldier up, and she still have a grandmother naye examele ukuthi amnakekele. So whoever you are, whether you're HIV, whether you're HIV negative, guys, sometimes it's not because of you careless, but because of sometimes umngani wakho ube ne-accident phambi kwakho, you not knowing anything. It is possible, but ibreather for 4 minutes, if I'm not mistaken, or 1 minute, iyaphila in that 1 minute uqeda ukuwa phansi. So as soon as wena uba ne-accident yokuthi uyibambe that lelo gazi lelo, that's when ngaba ne-possibility ukuthi uzithole sowugula kusasa. And into ebuhlungu wena wawugqeka omunye not knowing. Sometimes it might not happen to you, but might happen to the person that you love. It might happen to your child, umzali or usazozala. You understand? So these are the things that we really need to educate ourselves. So bengicela ukuthi lapha emakhaya asifundisaneni. There are workshops. That's a clinic. They teach you for free, guys. You go to Google everything on your Facebook. There should be a page that teaches us all these things. You go. So siyabonga mntansekhaya ukufika kwakho la eIzigi and sharing your journey with us. We wish you all the best, and we will organize the counseling for you. And another thing, we do have a gift for you that we'd like to give you. Would like to show it off, but I guess again because it's on a software. However, it's on a soft copy. So however, it's just you pampering yourself. We think you deserve a massage, Nyana. You understand? Just go and relax. Maybe ngelinye ilanga sokubukela ne-holiday special for you and your young one. So Bamanje, we do have that, and it's for two. So I don't know, I guess you'll take the young one because that's your friend.
Yeah, that's
so
my
thank you
friend.
so much.
Thank you, Sisi Ngiyabonga.
Usithathele ney'thombe phela ke.
Sharp.
Thank you. Bathi siyabonga babukele emakhaya. We thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe more. Tell your friends about us. Please like and share. This was Izigi, and I'm your girl Strawberry. Thank you.